What is good, my very, very, very lovely, 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 lovely people? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little bit different. That's because usually I record with my phone, but today I'm recording with my iPad. What y'all think? What y'all think? Is it good or not? Is it good or not? Good, not good, not good, nah. Holla at me in the comments down below.
Welcome into my queendom. Come on, come on.
So today's video, I've decided to try something I've never tried before. I've decided to become an emo girl. Yeah, I'm gonna be an emo girl. This is something I have wanted to try for a minute, but I just never had the opportunity. If you guys have seen any emo girls, what is the color that emo girls wear the most? Is it pink? Is it white? Or is it black? It's obviously black. Let us transform from this to black. Now that I got my black outfit on, I just gotta do my black makeup on. For this makeup look, I already saved some looks on Pinterest that I will be inspired by. These are some of them. Let me just show y'all. Give me a second, give me a minute. I'm trying to do this right here. Beautiful. I'm trying to do this right here. Beautiful. I'm trying to do this right here. Beautiful. What else? This right here. Beautiful. Yeah, and I think that's it. And what do these four girls have in common? They had really skinny eyebrows, very sharp, intense, high quality, chic, cunt, bad eyebrows. And I want the same energy on my face. What else do they have in common? They got super dark shades around their eyes, except for her. Let's actually get into the makeup look. First things first, when you do makeup, you always gotta start with concealer and whatnot. This is not a tutorial. Please do not think this is a tutorial. I don't wanna show you guys what to do if I don't know what I'm doing. So first things first, I'm gonna start with concealer and just conceal my fat, puffy eye bags. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on my upper lip, top lip, whatever you call it. And then some of it on my nose like so, and here. That's it. And then I'm gonna take this flat brush. Usually I use this for my powder. If you guys have watched any of my other tutorials, you will know that. But today I'm gonna use it to blend my concealer because I want it to be placed on like as accurate as possible. And the brush that I usually use is a little bit too big to be as accurate as I want it to be. So I'm gonna be using this smaller one that is going to be much more accurate. This is what it's giving after using this brush. Now I'm going with the less accurate brush and just blend it more seamlessly. As you can see, that looks much more seamless. But now I'm gonna start working on my eyebrows and my eyeshadow. So first things first, I don't know if y'all remember, first things first, brush your eyebrows out with no product. And just brush through both of them. We're gonna be using more concealer right underneath the eyebrow like so. And then right above them. This is what it should be giving after you've done your eyebrows. Now what we're going to be doing is the eyeshadow and the eyeliner. And this has to be as dramatic as possible. I want to try something I've never done. So I'm going to try this. She has a star on her eye. I don't know if it's both eyes. And her star is made out of like eyeliner. It's like solid lines. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be making a star with eyeshadow. And you guys know I always use this palette. I'm gonna link all the makeup products I use in the description box down below. So I'm gonna use this brush and I'm gonna use the shade Noir. I'm just gonna go for it. I don't know, y'all. I'm getting scared, y'all. Guys, I think I'm looking a little crazy. But I'm not done yet, so let's keep going. Okay, it's kind of getting together. I don't know. I don't know, y'all. It's looking. I don't know. I don't know if this is what it's supposed to look like. But let's keep going, keep going, keep going. Have faith, have faith. I might have gone a little too crazy. but we are here already, so we're gonna keep going and hope for the best. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm loving it. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. So I've done this for one eye, and I think the other eye I'm just gonna like make it black. Like just do like I want to look asymmetrical. I don't want it to be symmetrical because I don't think I can do the same thing on this eye. Should I try? Vote yes or no. I'm gonna wait. If you voted yes, then you won. Let's go. I'm gonna try, even though I don't know if it's gonna come out the same or not, but I feel so emo. Like, I already feel so emo. I don't feel like I need to talk about it. I think I'm gonna do my lips and then we're gonna get to the outfit. Should I add blush? I think I'm gonna add blush, but just a little bit. Now I'm gonna add my signature dots to the look. We're gonna add one right underneath the eye, one by the nose, one above the brow, one on my dimple, and then we're gonna do the nose. I forgot to do my nose. I was like, something is missing. So something right here, like a little dot right here, and then one line right here. And last but not least, as you guys can see, I have absolutely no piercings on my face. I have these gems, and I want to put them on my face as fake piercings. And what I usually do when I put fake piercings on my face is I use this and some eyelash glue, and then I just put it on my face. It's taking forever. It's not opening. Grab you some tweezers and get to it. I'm trying to do piercings that are like hers. It is what it is. Okay, at least I have two of those. Now we're gonna do one here, and then she has like two on her eyebrows. I'm gonna put them on this side. Okay, that's one. There's two. She got two right here. Now that I got all my piercings on, I'm gonna go do my hair and I'll be back.
The Christmas tree's on fire, Santa's holding a lighter. My parents are both liars, I got gifts but 1 subscribers. Thanks for the candy. Cut my life into pieces, this is my last resort. Suffocation, no breathing.
If you have made it to this part of the video, then you have made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video.
This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. My neighbor